Scene: a cozy kitchen. Mia is standing near the counter with vegetables. Alex just walks in.
Hi, Mia. What are you doing?
Hey, Alex, I'm going to make dinner. Want to help?
Sure, what are we cooking?
Spaghetti with vegetables and eggs. Simple but yummy.
Sounds good. What should I do first?
Can you wash these tomatoes and carrots?
Of course. He takes them to the sink. Cold water, right?
Yes, cold water. And don't forget to wash the lettuce too.
Got it. Washing. Done. What's next?
Now, let's chop the vegetables. Here's a knife.
Thanks. I'll chop the carrots. Should I cut them small or big?
Small pieces, please. We want them to cook fast.
Okay. He starts chopping. This is fun.
Cooking together is fun. I like it.
What's next?
Now we boil the spaghetti. Can you fill this pot with water?
Sure. How much water?
Fill it halfway, then put it on the stove.
Okay, done. Now we turn on the heat?
Yes, turn the heat to high. We need the water to boil.
How long does it take to boil?
Maybe 5 to 10 minutes. We can start cooking the vegetables now.
Let's do it.
Here's the frying pan. Add a little oil.
Like this?
Yes, just a little. Now put in the carrots and tomatoes.
Okay, do I stir them?
Yes, stir gently. Use this spoon.
This smells good already.
Wait a minute. Pass me the salt, please.
Here you go. Do we need pepper too?
Yes, just a little. And some garlic.
I love garlic. How long should I cook this?
About 5 minutes until it's soft.
The water is boiling now.
Great. Put the spaghetti in. Be careful, it's hot.
Yes, I'm careful. How long should we cook it?
About 10 minutes. Let's check the recipe.
You have a recipe?
Yes, it's on my phone. Reads: boil spaghetti for 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay, I'll set a timer. 10 minutes.
Now let's make some eggs.
How many?
3 eggs should be enough.
Should I crack the eggs?
Yes, crack them into a bowl.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Done.
Good job. Now beat the eggs with this fork.
Like this?
Yes, then pour them into the pan.
Should I stir?
Yes, slowly. Don't let it burn.
The spaghetti is ready.
Great. Let's drain it. Be careful, it's hot.
I'll use the colander. Pours water out. Done.
Now, mix everything together. Spaghetti, vegetables, and eggs.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Let's add some cheese on top.
Yes, I love cheese.
All done. Let's eat.
Wait, let me set the table.
Thank you. I'll bring the food.
This was fun. We should cook together more often.
Yes, and maybe try a new recipe next time.
How about pancakes?
Yum. Let's do that for breakfast tomorrow.